Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Canva with Instagram. This powerful integration allows you to design stunning visuals and then schedule them directly to your Instagram feed, saving you valuable time. You will need a Canva Pro subscription to access this feature, as it is not available with the free version. Make sure your Instagram account is set up as a business or creator profile for seamless connection. Let's dive into the simple steps to get started. Before connecting, first create your captivating Instagram post within Canva. Choose from various templates or start from scratch, ensuring your design fits Instagram's optimal dimensions. For instance, a square post should be 1080 by 1080 pixels. Once your visual is perfect, consider adding any text overlays or design elements that enhance your message. Remember, as the game progresses into the mid-game, your focus shifts to objective control. Help your team secure dragons, the Rift Herald, and Baron Nashor, as these provide significant global buffs. In teamfights, proper positioning is paramount. Stay safe while dealing maximum damage to key enemy targets. Continuously evaluate the enemy team's strengths and weaknesses. Adapt your item build to counter their damage types or enhance your own team's strategy, ensuring you are always prepared for the next engagement. After scheduling, always review your posts in Canva's content planner to ensure everything looks correct. Double-check your captions for any typos and confirm that your chosen hashtags are relevant and effective. While Canva handles the scheduling, remember that engagement is key on Instagram. Be ready to interact with comments and messages once your post goes live to maximize its reach and impact. Happy posting!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.